Welcome back to this video. In today's quick tutorial on Alipay, I'm going to teach you on how to switch to Alipay International Fashion. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how best you can use Alipay. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to this video. Let's see how to switch to Alipay International Fashion. So the very first thing you need to do is to simply click on your Alipay. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on here. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on here, the setting icon. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on switch fashion. Then right here, make sure you check this. International for non-Chinese mainland user, most especially if you are not Chinese citizen. This is the best fashion you need to use. By using this fashion, you can change to whatever language of your choice. What you simply need to do is to make sure this is checked, and then after that, simply click on save. You are done. So basically, this is how to switch Alipay to international fashion without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial tips and tricks on how best you can use Alipay. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.